All right, we're live. All right, what's going on, guys? So right now, yeah, fuck, the latency is a little higher. God damn it. Okay, so I had Teslas. Okay, so before you guys are like, what the fuck does this title mean? Let me explain. So over the last 2 days, SPY had a huge gap. This right here is the biggest gap in the history of the stock market. Period. That's it. Like it's never been higher. Like it's that we've never had a drop that big. So as a result, now we had the biggest drop in history, and now we're starting to see a lot of bearishness. You see this selling, all this shit. So we're getting a lot of pullbacks right now. So I was in Tesla puts again. I rebought those. This fucking hit 260. They're probably even higher now. So I had the 700s. I bought them for about 130. They dropped because Tesla gapped up. They dropped to 85, and now they're sitting at about 260. So that's pretty, humongous as far as drops go. So let me see. Yeah. So, but one thing that's good is that I'm in a spread. I'll show you for myself, but I'm gonna be day trading for a little bit. I'm gonna be options like scalping and stuff like that. So I'll be doing scalps throughout the day. I'll show you this account. So this account is fucking a masterpiece. This credit spread's about to hit is a dollar away from hitting zero. But let me bring it up. And voila. So this account right here, this account hit like really fucking low. It wasn't my doing; it was someone else's. It hit. It was at like actually 180, and then I closed. I turned it into a credit spread one of these positions, and so yeah, over the last few days we were able to make quite a bit of money on these exchanges. So this is one of our almost 10 bagger accounts, a little bit less, but yeah. So we're at 12.15. So this is really good. This was a success story if I've ever seen one. But yeah, I like this. I'm happy about how this went. The rest of this account though has gotten a little bit, hammered by all these like really really bearish, occurrences. So that kind of throws me off in a loop every now and then. But apart from that, I think everything is all good. I'm just trying to set up my thing so I can keep track of like how I want this to look. I just realized I can have multiple like screens up here, so I can totally set this up in a really effective way. I don't know how to do it because I need to set up like hotkeys and stuff, but yeah, the streaming. What else? Do I want anything else on the stream? I don't know. Maybe not now. Yeah, I'll need to figure out how I'm gonna set this thing up long term. But in the meantime, yeah, the markets are looking super bearish. So we gotta start playing the bearish sides of the market. So Tesla's still coming down. Amazon looking really good now. Yeah, we should have I could have re-entered that credit spread and made another like $200 on it. Yeah, Amazon's breaking. Yeah, it's actually really good. I set this up here. Yeah, we're getting a bounce on 1990. I want to play it on the second bounce down. So let me set up my options on it. Okay, let's play it with a little bit less. 370. Actually, I gotta check the volume. What about my original? Alright, I need volume. I need theta. I want delta. Delta. And I need. What else do I need? What else do I need on this? God, the ADD is terrible though. The market's health is awful. I change. I need the open interest, the volume. The volume on all these is terrible. 40 only? That's kind of crazy small. What else? Delta theta percent change. Alright, that looks a little bit better. So, yeah. Yeah, you see, this volume is just awful. Like, I've never actually seen such bad volume on it. The call side's way better, but the put side is actually terrible. I don't know why. And yeah, I'll transfer this one instead to yellow. And in case there's a bounce, I'll set up a call side as well. Yeah. There we go. So now for Amazon, we got this. So, yeah, we fell fast as hell. The IV is much higher now. Okay. Tesla's a support at 790. It could break. Could be the move that I want. Can't keep getting upset. You can't keep if something goes wrong. If you have a move that you sold, and you're just upset that you're not in anymore. Remember that you can always make it up. There will always be more moves. So you need to make sure you're patient for them. Because when you're not patient, like me, sometimes I'm not very patient. I was in Tesla. I sold the thing. It went from 85 to 260. It was a good move. I wish I was in it. I really do. But sometimes you can't help it. You got to be smarter. You got to have better hands. It's part of the game. But the goal here is to be consistently profitable, not make these like random wins, right? So, that'll happen. All right, I think what looks good to me right now. Sorry, yawning. This whole market is just down today. Google just tanked. Should have known with the Google spread from last week that this was gonna happen, because we saw Google jump into the money from my credit spreads. So I think it's time to start selling calls, maybe. So I might consider opening up some call credit spreads. I need to clear this. Man, I wish we had more people in here. That'd be fun. I need a community, y'all. We need a community. love that intro. Okay. I don't know how to play this right now. This market is a little extra for me. Nah, I gotta figure that's the job, right? So you gotta figure out how to do what. Google's got that level. Facebook has got more room to go. 197. Spies at the new low of day. Alright, let me close this down so I can watch the actual thing. Yeah, Spies at the low of day. We're seeing Amazon come down. My put jumped a fuck ton up and I wasn't even paying attention to it properly. But, so I'm gonna have to reset that. One that's more affordable, obviously. Yeah. Important to have volume for your moves, obviously. Yeah, so this was a straight shot. So 1970, I'm going to set my level at 1968.9 just because, you know, this stuff matters. Very low. Man, this is so low for the thing. Where's the support for SPY right now? They broke it. Health is down. Huge volume on this down. Our current bar already has more than average. This current 1 minute isn't that great. So yeah, we have support up until 317, and then 316 for SPY. So now we just gotta watch how we're gonna trade Amazon in this area. So there's a possible bounce coming at 1960. So I'm gonna have to get out earlier if I do end up getting in this. Yeah, but like literally like how much was the leverage? Like 200, 300? 200 for that original? A little bit less. Went up to 500, so that's a $200 gain. That's easy. easily, you know, a really good reversal. So, you know, be smart, keep your head cool, I guess, is what I need to do. One should meditate every day. Do this, so we're back at it. More new lows, level 317, it should bounce there. 317.3. Amazon did a really big bounce off here. So I think getting in for the retest is going to be pretty good. Again, I like this wicking here on the 1 minute. I gotta watch level 2 though. Oh yeah, it's printing lower. Though we gotta make sure it holds. Yeah, it's dropping big. Ooh, yeah, I love that volume that just happened, kicked in. It's gonna be average already. Yeah, I mean that position on the other account is almost fully, I think, received at this point. Yeah, there's not much left. Unfortunately, I can't really close it right now. Man, it's smart, man. Outputs, huh? Maybe I should try that. Just buy some. Lumbar liquidators is not a terrible one to short right now. Maybe. I don't know. We are 200% above average volume. Their earnings was good. That's why they're in. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, right now I'm just looking for a place. So I don't know what to take right now because the whole everything's kind of pushing sideways now. We're in Vixus, so let me see how those are. It's all pulling back up now. Oh yeah, now this account is pushing up quite a bit. We're up about almost $200 on it, which is a lot actually. Yeah, it's pulling back up. The profit on it is 30 for the day. The trade is 8 cents. Mark is 24. So it's up a lot, actually, quite a bit. Good job, Joshua. You fucking genius. Yeah, so this guy's good, man. He knows what he's doing. I wish I knew what I was doing. This is such a sad section of this stream. Oh, it's you. I was like, I thought you were gonna say something. I was like, oh no, mute. I thought you were someone else. Anyway, what's up? Table.
I know.
It's useful actually.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we could either like.
Do anything yet?
No, I haven't traded anything. My Tesla thing is
I
at
know.
260 now.
I know.
That's what I wanted to play though. Is I wanted to just play the general
Oh
bearishness.
damn. Okay. All right. Yeah. Everything is going down.
Everything's going down and coming back up. I had an Amazon option at 1980, went down to 1970, and that thing went from like 2 to 500.
Yeah.
So the money, any money that we've lost, is actually easily recoverable.
Yeah.
We just got to be really into it, and I'm just bad at this. Take this.
Okay.
We need it. Just break it and then here. How you feeling, by the way?
I feel okay.
That's good. You don't need to take a whole thing.
Okay.
You just need to.
You do it then.
Let me go on.
So we're opening up we have some TLT positions.
Yeah, we do. What was
No, I didn't mean to. I was
Oh.
just trying to do
that? I thought you were like trying to get my attention. I was like, I'm right here. Check this out, dude. Josh is fucking amazing, honestly.
Yeah.
Cause like
Yeah,
this
is
position pulled up a $200 gain. It's almost $200.
Whoa.
Total
From 80.
from 80.
Yeah. That's so
Bro,
good.
this
is
guy
all free.
This guy
right
fucking knows what he's doing. It's
He
fucking
does.
crazy.
He does a
We really
lot.
because he sold his apples today.
Yeah.
For free. So
free.
every single trade. This is it. We're not
Because
doing this.
he is in UALs. UALs went down a lot today.
Bro,
Wait, can you check UAL?
Yeah, I can, and
So
I
you
know
got
for a fact because
you got
Corona's a huge deal right now.
Yeah. 72.
Oh my He's literally about to be in the money.
No, he has the 55 puts.
Okay. Yeah, it tanked, bro. He's the 55 puts. We can check. It shows how much he got it for. Yeah. So yeah, no doubt about it. We need to totally double down on everything that he says because it's like important. And if that means we have to tune in again, let's start tuning in.
Yeah,
because like
stopped.
Yeah, we stopped doing that. We stopped learning.
Yeah.
Because right now he still knows more than we do. This definitely helped, this streaming thing. It helped us think, right?
Yeah.
But, I don't know. He's still a fucking genius. I can't not. He got the April 17th 55 puts for 40. They're YOLO, too high risk. Is there anything on here that we want to keep our eyes on right now? Like anything specifically? The banks? Spy's up here. Oh, you know what? Yeah. By the way, do you want the 2 minutes or the 1 minute is fine? Or the 1 minute or the 2 minutes is fine?
2 minutes is fine.
Alright, cool. It's just a little bit less noise. It gives us some more data. It doesn't really affect me too much. I like I love this actually. I missed our maximum cells thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed them. They were so cute. Bruh. Okay, you need to see the fucking masterpiece that I've done to this account though. Because I know you haven't seen it.
The H? Is it finally just
Oh my!
all the way up?
Fucking. I did the research and I was like, this is an amazing play. After a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. There's not much left on the table. The moment I can close it, I'm gonna fucking close it because I know
Yeah.
that this market is a betrayer.
Yeah.
Like, I
yeah,
don't
exactly.
give a shit.
Exactly.
Like, I don't give a shit
This
what's
is
up.
this
This
is
is
what
amazing.
you should take.
Yeah, take. So I was thinking about it. Like, do you remember if I had sold my Tesla put originally where I had gotten it?
Yeah.
I actually would have been still more up than it hit today. And
Really?
even though it went way further.
Oh my god.
So that's really interesting, right? So okay, but he also bought Lumbar Liquid. Fuck, he's down now. This thing, dude, he bought like $20, and it hit like $40 profits, and he was up like 160% on this crap.
Nice.
And the reason was because LL was like a huge hype stock for a little bit. They had earnings, and now he's playing the puts on it because he's like, oh, momentum.
Yeah.
But yeah, this fucking account was a masterpiece. I cannot wait to buy the Pablo Escobar phone. I hope it's real. I really hope it fucking works.
Okay.
If it works, I'm selling that bitch for so much money. And I'm just gonna keep doing it. Okay. What I'm gonna do here, just because I like the idea of context, is the spies right there. You keep that in mind. I'm gonna put the 1 year, 1 day of whatever I'm looking at here, so I can do it contextually. How does Josh know, man? How does he do this? How does his brain work? Years of experience.
Yeah.
He knows more than anyone I've ever known, and he doesn't even use technicals. He's not like the vol. He just like knows based on how things are moving, what's going on.
Yeah, he's literally an econ major.
Yeah, he is, but this is not econ. This is niggas. No!
I think you may need some Adderall.
Yeah.
Are people on? I feel like
No, no one's on, thank God.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just checked. It's one person, it's us.
Okay.
You like this though? I did this. I put like a little red circle on
Oh,
it.
nice.
And I changed the tags. We didn't have tags for any of their streams.
Oh, but we did for the videos?
Our videos, sometimes when I put them manually,
Okay.
but yeah, like, let me just end it. I'll show you what I mean. Actually, no, I can't end it, because if I end it, then it's going to end.